Hello, welcome back. In this video, I will give you a very brief introduction to database. Specifically, I will show you install PostgreSQL and dbeaver and show you how to use it. For those who database experts, please feel free to skip this video. For those who are not familiar with database, do not worry about that. Just follow this video and install these two software, PostgreSQL and dbeaver. You will have no problem to keep up with the following tutorial videos. So, in the first step, we will go to postgresql.org and download the software. So you can go the download page, and it's just based on your operating system. Here is mine is Windows. I will click this one and download. Let me show you one more time. So you can choose the latest one and click this one. This would be the latest one. So here I'm going to choose the latest one and click over here. So you can start to download, and it will take several minutes. It's really depend on your network speed. Here my network will take several minutes. Actually, I have already downloaded this software on my laptop, so I will just go ahead and install this software. I'm going to cancel this downloading. I will go to install PostgreSQL. Double click and run. Now click next. Because here I only got one drive over here, so I will install into C drive over here. So just click next, next, and next, next, and installing. It probably takes some time to install the real database if you do not have this file on your local machine yet. So here mine is already downloaded, so it would be much quicker. Now wait for several minutes. Now we can say finish over here. Now we can choose our local PostgreSQL for this stack builder. And I will choose here. This ODBC is for a Microsoft database connection. O means object. Here we just choose one of this one. It says already installed it. And I think that's enough. If you want to install other drivers, for example, if you want to connect the Java database connection to this server, you need to install this JDBC, whereas Microsoft is for choose this one, etc. But here we're going to use Python to connect this server, so we not choose none of those drivers. And click next, and then install next, next, next. Now this is the time really install PostgreSQL on your computer. Previously you just install the stack builder or something database installer. Now we actually install the PostgreSQL database, and it would be take several minutes again. Here I'm going to pause the video until this progress bar is end. Now after the progress bar is over, then it's almost finished. So we click finish over here. If you want to install other software, you still go ahead over here, but I think we have enough software what we want. So I'm going to cancel it and close this out. Now, as you can see, in order to complete the installation setup, and you must restart your computer. Here I'm going to choose no, so I can restart later after I want. So I will choose here, and so let's download this dbeaver over here and install the dbeaver. Here I'm going to choose dbeaver, hit next, and of course you have to say agree and for all users, and hit next and agree, GRE. Here I just click. dbeaver is a visual tool to connect with other database, and you can manipulate on top of dbeaver. Here actually we have PostgreSQL. It's have a PostgreSQL admin tools, but it's ridiculously slow, so I'm going to use dbeaver, and it's a pretty good tool, and it's finished. And here I can connect the database. I can connect the local database over here. This is a database I connected with the local server over here. As you can see, we have some tables over here, and here you can execute the SQLs. For example, we want to select those data out, and we can new SQL editor over here. Let's say select all of them from the table. Here we're going to pg catalog dot pg, this one, and we can execute this. See, we can get the database. Okay, just install these two software. One is PostgreSQL, another one is dbeaver. Suppose I have no connection. Let me close this one. Maybe delete this one. Yes. Here I'm going to say create a new connection. And here I'm going to choose PostgreSQL. And here is localhost, and this is default port. And my user is also Postgres. And my password is 123 for test, and then hit next, and then finished. Then I've already connected to the database over here. So you can create your local connection within this tool rather than use PostgreSQL PG admin. You can use that tool as well if you like. It's just too slow for me, so I would like to choose dbeaver. Okay, that's enough for PostgreSQL installation and dbeaver, and we will use a lot in the following tutorial videos. See you in next video.